This came in the mail. It's a big box. I thought it was gonna be a smaller box. Finally, this is what it looks like. It comes with a little card. Okay, so let's see what this side is. Okay, these are all the aligners. This side is the case. Yo, I'm sorry, my hair looks crazy. I look crazy. I look a mess. I just got back.
Yeah, you look like a stupid head.
Girl. So it comes with a case and then a little mirror for your aligners so you can see. And this is like a filer in case like it hurts your gums, you can file it down. This little thing is a tool to help you get your aligners out. And then there's a little box right here. This is on-the-go cleaning, freshening, whitening foam. So you just put this inside your aligner. That whitens your teeth for you. It has another box in here. And this is the Hyper Byte, which you do this 5 minutes a day. Supposedly helps with making the process go faster. So it comes with a charger, and then here is the Hyper Byte. It comes with chewies too, and a smile stretcher. So a smile stretcher and some little chewy aligner tray setters. I guess you chew them, seal your aligners to your teeth. I heard these hurt for a while, so we're gonna try it. Okay, so it comes with like a little note. It says the wait is over, it's time to bite. Okay, and so here's the aligners. Wow, it looks just like my teeth. Look at that. All right, we're gonna pop them in. Okay, first we're gonna put this stuff in.
Mommy.
So my teeth won't look yellow no more. Out the bottom. So these are tight. Tight as hell. Sorry, I'm gonna spit because I don't know. I don't know if you're supposed to swallow that. It tastes good though. It tastes minty. But anyways, so yeah, this is the first tray. I probably would talk a little weird for a while, but yeah, I'm so excited. Okay, so now we're gonna chew these things so it sets my aligners in place. Okay, ew, it has a hair on it, girl. Okay, so it looks like this. You're supposed to like chew them.
What happened?
I'm putting them back in the bag for the next one. It's like, I'm gonna wash them in a minute. That's about it. So my treatment, they said that would take about 3 months for everything to be done. My teeth ain't that bad. I just hate this freaking gap right here. I'm trying to close it up, and I have like y'all can see right there, I got some crowding going on. Yeah, I'll check back in with you guys next week. Okay, y'all, so I said I would be back next week, but it's been the whole 3 months. I'm already done with my sets. Well, not really. I'll explain that to you guys in a minute. Y'all, I dyed my hair blonde. As y'all can see, my last clip, I was brown, and I looked a hot mess. But now y'all can see the good side, okay? But yeah, my overall experience was pretty good. My aligners did hurt for the first couple weeks, and then my teeth just got used to it as I kept changing out the aligner sets or whatever. 1 through 10, the pain was about a 4, sometimes a 5, but it's not really that bad. And I got used to it like around week 3, week 4, and then they just stopped hurting completely, even changing sets. Definitely put before and after pictures on the screen. I'm really happy with my results, just not 100% because I do have spacing in this one tooth right here. I would put it on the screen like a closer look. Yeah, that's my only problem. Also, I lost my last week of aligner somewhere, so I had to put back on my week 8 because originally my plan was 9 weeks until the whole thing was finished. So I lost the week 9 aligner, so I had to go back to my week 8, and I told them about it, and I told them about the spacing, that I'm not 100% satisfied with my results, and you know, I'm paying, I want my money's worth you know. On the customer service side, I would say they're not really that great because they don't really, I wouldn't say they don't care, but it takes them a really long time to reach back out to you. I told them about my problem like 2 months ago, and they told me to just stay in my aligners that fits the best and wear them for 14 days and then hit them back up. I hit them back up after I wore them for 14 days because I told them about my gap that I still had. And that's what they told me to do. That's what I done. And I hit them back up and I told them that, hey, you guys are gonna have to like send me another, like a new molding kit with new aligners or something, because me going back in my trays is not gonna help anything. So I'm just waiting for them to respond. But other than that, I'm done. I could say, you know, forget it and go ahead and get my my retainers, but you know, I paid a lot of money. I paid a lot of money for these aligners and I want my money's worth. You know, I've always wanted my teeth done, always wanted braces, whatever. My overall experience was pretty good. I wouldn't say it was the great, and I wouldn't say that it was the worst. Yeah, just keep in mind that customer service kind of sucks whenever you're having problems or whatever. But yeah, I only had like literally a little gap that I wanted closed, and that was it. And then now I have a gap over here from this tooth, you know, from these two teeth shifting together, and then I left this one. I guess this one was like stubborn and didn't want to move, I guess. Yeah, I hope this video helped you guys. Let me know down below if you guys want me to answer any other questions. I could do a Q&A portion if you guys want me to. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I also did a TikTok video of me recording week by week. I will put it up on the screen or after this video so you guys can see it. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace. Okay, y'all, so this is week 1 of wearing aligners by Byte. Week 2 of wearing aligners by Byte. And I gotta use this Byte for at least 5 minutes a day to help move my teeth. It vibrates. I really don't know if it works or not, but okay, y'all, so it's week 3. I guess it don't start closing up like your gaps or whatever until like week 4 or 5, maybe 6. But yeah, it's getting there. It's getting there. Okay, y'all, it's finally week 4. We're getting there. We're getting there. I'm so excited. Okay, y'all, so it is actually week 6. I thought I recorded week 5, but I guess not. It's starting to close up, y'all. And this is y'all seeing it from with my aligners on. So at the end of this video, I'm gonna show you guys with them off so you guys can see. But yeah, this is week 5. I'm at 6. Week 6. I'll see you guys week 7. Okay, so it's week 8. It's actually Monday. I change it every Monday, so I'm just gonna change it to week number 9 with you guys. And I did brush my teeth a little whiles ago. That didn't even make sense. But yeah, y'all, look. The filter is making it look weird. Oh, let me take the filter off. Okay. So this is what my teeth looks like without the aligners. And then this is week 9. And then I got like 2 more weeks after this. Y'all, I have like TMJ really bad, so my jaw pops so much and I hate it. Y'all hear it? I hate it. But yeah, this is week number 9 and I got like 2 more weeks to go. Okay, y'all, so I'm finally done with my aligners. I know last week, the last clip, I said that I had 2 more weeks to go, which No, I only had 1 more week for my bottom because I had 9 weeks on the top and 10 on the bottom. So this is my last week. I'm not 100% satisfied with my results. Don't get me wrong, it looks way better than before. I'll show you guys in a minute what I'm talking about. Basically, Byte is gonna send me another molding kit to mold my teeth and then send me new aligners. This is what it looks like. It looks way much better than before, but you see this gap right here? It's supposed to be like this. So that's the only problem I have. Other than that, 10 out of 10. That was like crowded, but yeah, other than that, it looks really good. The lighting probably sucks horrible right now, and it's probably making my teeth look hella yellow, but I gotta wear these until Byte figures out what they're gonna do. But yeah, I cannot wait to show off my new smile.